Evening.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am also fit and fine. Thank you for asking. So, as we connecting first time, so could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, please. My name is Pallavi Dhingra and I'm an English trainer by profession. And I've been teaching English from last 10 years. I provide online classes and I love to see the people changing through my teaching. This is all about me.
Oh, it's really good. So now I will introduce myself. My name
Yes.
is Shant Yadav, and I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And right now I am doing BCom second year. And behalf of that, I have a YouTube channel. On that channel, I had upload these types of conversation. And behalf of that and other hands, I also do working as a freelancer editor, and I'm edit the videos for some YouTube channel. And yes, this is all about me.
Okay, really good to hear that.
Yes.
This is
So,
so.
so could you please share that which platform you can teach?
I use variety of platforms to take my classes because I have students across the world. So like Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, and students from UAE, they have like restrictions in using some applications. So for BOTM, IMO, it depends. It varies from country to country.
Okay, like it means you have using the multi apps for connecting
Yeah.
students.
Yes, I use multiple apps, and rather I use many devices to connect because I teach full time.
Okay, 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 okay. So, how much it is hard to manage? Like, on one hand, you are teaching the international students, and in a hand, you are teaching the Indian students. So, it is like, what's the difference and what's the difficulty you face?
I don't wonder it is anything like it's hard. Yes, there is a difference in the standard. I tell you, I give you a very good example. If a person of, let me take an example of a school student rather. If a student of India, like class 3, if a student writes like 10 lines only, it is like good enough. Parents are even very happy, teachers are happy, and even the student is happy. But outside India, a student of grade 3 would be writing like 3 to 4 pages. So this is the difference in the standards. And apart from that, what I tell you, outside India, the problem with the students, it is they know English well. People over there, they know very good English, and they want to improve in their spellings, which they are lacking in grammar, some rules. They don't know the rules of grammar. Like, for example, if anybody will ask you or me some rule of Hindi grammar, we do not know, but we can speak Hindi at the best. So, similar is the case with them. Even like working professionals outside India, they are in IT department. For them, initially English is not important, but if they are looking for an upgradation in their career, so they need English, so they also join the classes. And also like some housewives, like their husbands, they go from India and they are working over there. Now their wives, they don't know very well how to talk in the supermarket to the neighbors and the school where of their kids, so they also learn. So I have like variety of students.
Okay, like
And
it.
in India, I tell you, India also, it's the same nowadays. In India also, there is a craze that everyone should have good communication skills. So there are students, those who join, like students like you, those who want to build up more in their career. And there are some working professionals, those who want a jump and they want to be at a higher management position. So this is like what, and I don't wonder, like there is no struggle in teaching and managing. Yes, the timings, it is for international students. Generally, I have students from like US, Canada. So early mornings and late nights, I give my classes. During the day, I have managed to students from Australia, Singapore, Dubai, and Indian students. So it's like easy, happy going with me.
Okay, like it's happened it's look like that when we are using Hindi very fluently, but when the some rules and regulation we don't know, so that the same thing it's happened in outside also. They are speaking English very well, but the main thing is the grammar part they was lacking.
Yes. if they have to write something like some emails also for working professionals, so they are struggling with that, so they want to improve in that area. Also, I give training for like IELTS, for like it's an exam which a person needs to appear to go and study abroad or for PR purpose, so I do give classes for IELTS as well.
Okay, like I always thought that grammar is like spoken English is easier than to be know that all the rules and regulations.
It depends on your mindset, I guess. So
Like I thought the number of people are shared that spoken English is easier than to grammar English. Like if you want to crack any exam, so you know the number of rules and regulations, you have to go with basic to advanced in grammar section. But you if you want to only speak, so it is easy.
yes, see, I tell you, in colloquial English, like which we say as spoken English, it is not important for you to use like a lot of grammar rules. Even there are, if you make like one or two errors, it is acceptable while speaking colloquial English. But while writing, it is not allowed to make any errors. So for that, you need to really write well. Also, like there outside India, there are some college students, those who are writing like some thesis or advanced writing, they have to give some essays in the college, they do take the classes as well.
Yes, okay. So like what's the like easiest way to improve our grammar mistakes? Like I am also doing the lot of mistakes while writing and everything.
I tell you, the easiest way to improve is to understand the concept. Once you know the concept, you can improve yourself. Like, for example, in maths, if you know the basic formula, you can do any variety of questions. So, similarly, it goes with English. If you know any basic rule, if you know the concept clarity is there, the basics are clear. So, you can like do any grammar, like anything in grammar comes up, you can make the sentence very well as well.
Okay. So like okay, you can share one more thing that those like suppose someone's are improving want to improve their grammar mistakes. So how they can start? What's the basic to advanced? Like what's the
Yes,
structure?
I tell you, this I even told in one of my last video. So you take a book of a student of class 3, 2, 3, 4. Go with this way. Don't take like any topic in between, which generally students do. They start with tenses, but they don't know what is subject, predicate, what is sentence, what are parts of speech, and then they struggle in. So it is good if you take the books of the school students from like class 3, 4, 5, and that ways you improve, and that is the best way to improve.
Okay, like when like if you want to improve it, so you can start with the proper basic.
Yes, because when your basics are clear, you won't be struggling in.
Okay, it's really good, and now now I understand the what when I was always lacking while in grammar part because I don't have clear my
Yes,
basic.
because what you do, what I tell you generally, I have experienced after conversing with people. They watch videos, they believe if I watch a short video of preposition, my concept is clear. It's not like that. You need to have a deep knowledge of the basic concept. Then, and that too, after having the knowledge, practice matters. So then also the person needs to practice. Then the concept is clear. Watching videos doesn't help that much as by learning the concept, and practicing helps. Yes, watching videos is popular, it seems like attractive, it is good enough, but that I suggest you after your basics are clear. Then you watch the videos. Then, like while watching the videos, you wonder, yes, this concept is clear in my mind already.
Yes, it's happened with me that when I was using YouTube and then some shorts are come and then I watch it. Okay, now it's clear clear in my mind. But after 1 hours when I using continuously and I was my mind was distracted in other shorts and everything, so I forgot that what I learned, what
Yes,
I
so that's what I
yes.
say, practice matters. So before watching the particular shots, you practice that concept and then go with this way out.
Okay, now I understand. So, okay, so that's my all questions was end. And if you want to give any suggestion to the viewers those are watching that video, so you can give.
I can give one suggestion to improve the English. One very powerful suggestion is think in English all the time, because in India, to speak in English, we need to find a partner. So, and
Yes.
it's very hard to find a partner. As you said, I really find it difficult to find somebody to speak in English. So, but to think in English, you do not need anybody in this world. So, start
Yes.
thinking in English, like whatever you will be doing, like after the session, suppose you are going to talk to somebody, or like you will plan in your mind, abhi main ye karunga, fir main ye karunga, then main ye karunga. So rather than thinking like this, we think there after that I will be doing this, next step is this, the next step is this. This is the format you should follow. So then what happens, when you will be thinking in English, you will be speaking the English best. Because we think in Hindi all the time and we just wonder to speak Hindi at the English at the best, it doesn't happen. Because the language we think is the language we speak.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So, like, it is a very nice conversation with you, and thank you so much for giving a precious time for this conversation.
Yeah, it was really nice connecting with you.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay, bye. Welcome.
Bye.